Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video, I am using Seize the Day collection from Close to My Heart. I also grabbed that white acrylic paint, two shimmer paints, these enamel dots, coordinate with Seize the Day, and they are from Close to My Heart. These are the papers that I pre-selected from my little kit, and that's all I have left with the stickers. And then that's my favorite map from Close to My Heart. I love it, love it, love it. All right, so I am using the blue 12 by 12 paper. Comes with the paper pack. That wood grain is just gorgeous. Then I'm using the smoothie white cardstock. And the opposite side of that blue green paper is this pattern paper of the seashells and crabs in it. That's the opposite side. So I am double matting that right there. I use the smoothie cardstock also to mat my photograph. I'm taking the branding strip and I'm placing it about, I don't know, a third of the way up from the bottom of that matting, whatever background paper, I guess what you want to call it. And if you're looking at the 12 by 12 background paper, you'll see that that zip strip is right at the 6-inch mark. Then I have this small little strip here from the smoothie cardstock, and I'm using my wet adhesive from Nuva because I cannot find my Scotch adhesive thin bottle, fine line thin bottle. I'm saying that all wrong. I apologize. It doesn't matter. Anyway, I just used some wet adhesive to secure that down. I'm going to place the photograph at an angle. And this photograph is of my little guy at his birthday party back in 2019. And this whole little get-up was like on his little wish list. He made an Amazon wish list. Can you believe that? So anyway, one of our family members or friends got him this get-up, and oh, that mask is something to die for. But anyway, I just love this photograph. I thought it was pretty cool. And this Seize the Day collection goes perfectly. It almost looks as well like 4th of July that you'd wear. So anyway, from the sticker pack, I took that blue banner, and then that banner there, which they're all cut like in a fishtail, and I just layer them up. And then from the sticker sheet, I take the sailboat, and I take the blue whale, and then I thought I was going to tuck that crab underneath, but I don't use it in that spot. It does get used on the layout, but not there. And then I decided the blue whale was getting lost behind that background paper, so I take a dab of this white acrylic paint, and I just use my finger and I go along the outer edge. And when I put it back, you're going to see that now it kind of pops a little bit, and you can definitely see the different layers of pattern paper and the stickers. It doesn't get lost in that embellishment cluster. I will then work down to the lower left-hand corner and do a cluster there. And again, I thought I was going to try to incorporate that crab, but it doesn't go in that cluster either. It's going to go in another cluster. So I have the starfish, the anchor, the bottle there, and I'm going to add 2 fish, and that will complete that cluster. That will complete that cluster. I will bring in some twine and put it through the anchor, and then I will bring in 3 enamel dots from the collection you'll see to the right. Now, I did not purchase, and then this scallop edge, I should have kept it there. Here I made a real dumb choice. This is like real silly that I didn't leave that scallop edge there, but I place it up there, and then it gets completely lost with my title. That was not a real smart move. So if you buy this collection of pattern paper and sticker sheet and the coordinating cardstock and the coordinating enamel dots, and you want to scrap lift that, put that scallop edge down at the bottom there, like I originally showed it. All right, my title is going to be The Sea Beast Returns. The only thing that came from Seize the Day sticker sheet is the word the. The Sea Beast and the Return are alphas that were in my stash. Now see that crab? I finally use it. It's going to go, it's home right up there in the upper left side corner. And so I have my 3 embellishment clusters and kind of envision almost like a triangle. All right. All right, let's see what else. Oh, with this collection, it also there's a workshop that comes with this collection, which is just awesome. And you will get 6 exclusive die cut sheets. You will create, how many? You will create 2 double spread layouts and 2 single. And you can also get the protective cover sheets. And the neat thing about this collection is that you will also get in this collection, what are they called? Acrylic pieces in a red color. They're awesome. They'll say like Getaway, Paradise. You'll get some hearts. You'll get another anchor and an arrow. That's great. And there's also a coordinating, what do you want to call it? Coordinating die cuts. All right, so here I add some splatters using shimmer paints. Oops, I just knocked it over. And it's called Tippin' in the Tropics is the corally color, and the blue was Oaky Bear Blue. And you'll be able to see those splatters in the close-ups that are coming up next. All right, if you like what you see, my contact information for Close to My Heart, where you can come over and shop with me, will be in the description box below, and it'll be at the very end. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document your memories in a fun, creative way, and we'll see you next time. Oh, and please be sure to give me a thumbs up and share my channel. All right, bye.